There are actually many different types of shower bases available in the market. One of the best known shower bases are fiberglass bases, which are usually the cheapest and lowest end shower bases. You'll see these in a lot of existing homes is fiberglass bases, which can tend to yellow or crack over time. And then a step up from the fiberglass base is the acrylic base. The acrylic base, to some people, they don't see the difference in the acrylic base, but the acrylic has a acrylic gel coat or coating over the top of it, which actually makes it very easy to clean. It won't yellow, it's warm to the touch. And also in the bottom of an acrylic base, you can put in an anti-skid type of surface to make it actually safer.
The advantage to using an acrylic shower base in your project is a few things. One of them would be that typically the acrylic shower base is going to be your most cost-effective way to build your shower base. One of the other advantages to the acrylic is it is a non-porous material that is probably the product that is easiest to maintain the cleanliness of that shower floor.
Acrylic bases are available in many different shapes and many different sizes. They can be made into just a kind of a standard 60 by 32 size if you're looking at doing, let's say, bath to shower conversion, kind of a standard rectangle. They can come 48-48, 36-36. They come in many different standard sizes.
With the acrylic shower base, there are a couple disadvantages to that product that could prevent somebody from wanting to use that. One of those things is that they only come in certain sizes and shapes. You know, if you have a shower space that we're going to use that is a non-standard size, then acrylic probably won't be an option for us.
In those type of situations, a ready for tile base ends up being a great solution. So while acrylic bases are easy to clean, available in standard sizes, there's some neat standard shapes that are available. The disadvantages, they are what they are. You can't get it a little bit different. You can't put the drain in a different spot. You can't make it a ½ inch bigger or smaller. So that's the main disadvantage of acrylic.
One of the things that's available to us today in an acrylic shower base is a line that we use called Fleurco. The advantages that Fleurco's brought to the market are that they have provided us with some various sizes that weren't available in the past. We have some shapes that are very unique to the Fleurco line that can take advantage of space available that previously our only way to take advantage of that was by doing a custom tile base.
They have a wedge type of base. They have one called Bowfront, which is actually used for bath to shower conversion. It's kind of a little bit of a curve wall system, 32 inches on one side, 32 on the other, and 36 in the center.
And what that does is it expands the space in the center out further, so gives a little bit more showering room inside of there.
That's the advantage of acrylic bases, is basically the ability to create sort of a standard size and a standard shape, so then you can design wall systems to fit the standard shape.
So one of the things that a customer may consider is how many standard construction walls that we would build in a shower area versus how many of those walls we might want to do with glass in a shower enclosure to kind of open up that space. A few options with that may be that we would build a shower door with glass enclosure, or we could even use glass block in that application to give it a more light and a more open feel.
You have some limitations with acrylic bases, but you also have certainly some advantages to those bases as well. And especially if you get involved with a line like a Fleurco line, there's some really sharp looking acrylic bases that have tons of style with their glass enclosures that are easy to clean.